Yeah, food. This is the first place Jack pulled up when I was watching him. Stop touch. Stop touch. Good boy. It's a pepper. It's a pepper, buddy. Oh, look at those skills. What's on the side? Nice. A little teething on the cold shelf. It's not sanitary. And we've got a stander. Ladies and gentlemen, Jack Garrity is standing in the fridge. Going after the ketchup. Man after my own heart, right there. Look at him. Man after my own heart. Get that food out the crisper. You know where the cheese is. Woo! Big fall. That's how we do. No big deal. Caught the head. Impressive.